Welcome to week 4. This is our weekly review of last week and our feedback of last week and review of what's coming up in week 4. So very briefly, I apologize I haven't gotten your resume grades to you. Those are actually all graded and have notations on them, but I have not been near a scanner long enough to get those all scanned, and I like to release grades at the same time where I can, just so folks can discuss if they want to. So my hope is that tomorrow, when I have less meetings, I'll have time while I'm sitting in my office to get all those scanned in. So I apologize, but I will tell you, no one had a make or break situation here. You're all doing great with all of your assignments, so I'm not worried, and you don't need to be either. So for week 4, this is the week that you should be watching the job shadowing assignment overview. If you didn't watch it in week 1, remember the date's wrong on that, but you have till the last day of summer session 2 to turn in that reflection. Earlier is fine. If you have not scheduled 4 to 8 hours to watch someone you work with for the day and kind of shadow them, you need to go ahead and do that. If you do not have someone to shadow, I need to know that as soon as possible. I can connect you. And if you've already been in this class with me before, some variation of it, whether it was 490 or 495, I have alternative assignments for you, but I need to hear from you. You've got to take that initiative. So reach out to me so you're not scrambling at the last minute, okay? This week, I want you to be focusing on your interview if you haven't done that yet. I probably have about half to 2/3 of you all scheduled in the next 2 weeks, which means there's a few more of you I need to hear from, and we need to get things set up. The next 2 weeks do get busy with orientation, so I'm going to have time, but it may be something that you're going to have to flex on if you wait until the last minute to schedule. I'd recommend go ahead and getting this interview done so that it's out of the way and you can just kind of breeze through and focus on your final discussion board in week 5 and your job shadowing reflection. But it's all up to you and how you manage your time. If you have any questions, again, we have that frequently asked questions discussion board up at the top, or if it's personal, just shoot me an email and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Have a great week 4.